What's up with it, y'all? It's Gigi and I'm by myself, so y'all already know it's time for a clap back. Let's get it. Now, before we jump into this banger, I need y'all to spam Team Gigi in the comments like crazy. Like, go stupid. Like I be telling y'all don't go crazy enough. I want to see 100+ comments. Team Gigi. If we get to 100+ comments, I'm going to follow 50 of y'all back on Instagram. But listen, if you read the title of the video, then y'all already know what's going down today. We about to prank Team KC again. And of course, it's going to be a banger again. So basically, y'all, I'm just going to act like I'm popping pills. I know how it sound, y'all. I know how it sound. But watch this. Watch this, y'all. So I got some Tacs. And I got some ibuprofen. I'm about to dump these out. Put the TikToks talk about me. I'm about to put the TikToks inside of this bottle. And I'm going to just be like, babe, I don't feel good. Because she already know I'm cramping. I'm like, I don't feel good. I'm just back to back to back to back to back. Okay, y'all. That's what I'm going to do. I don't know why they put this cotton in here. If y'all know, let me know. Y'all, it's just ibuprofen. There you go. That's the medicine. I'm gonna put these hoes behind the paper towels just in case she come in here. I gotta open these. Oh, we need them open. I lost a few, y'all. Okay. This is gonna be a banger. Got that. Get rid of the evidence. Okay, y'all. So the Tic Tacs are in there. There you go. Y'all, spam Team Gigi in the comments. I'm not about to waste no more time. Let's go. My stomach hurt. Cramps.
Did you take medicine?
Not yet because I didn't eat. It's okay. I just take like one.
Well, you need to eat something.
I eat right after, but it just hurts so bad. Actually, I did. I ate those crackers, cheese crackers. That's enough.
Yeah. You got heated back?
Yeah. Do you know where the ibuprofen at?
Should be in the bathroom. I know the Tylenol's in there. The Tylenol?
Oh, it's up there.
Oh, okay.
My drink. You can know.
I'm like, what?
How many milligrams is this?
You should be able to take 2.
Oh yes, 200. So
Yeah, take
2.
2 will be great for you.
2 will be great for you.
Your tummy hurt. It's okay.
Aww.
It's gonna kick in.
Cold.
What's wrong?
Nothing, that just hurting me.
No?
This hurt me. since it's only 200, I think I just need to take one more. So that'd be
Huh?
600, and it's gonna equal to like when I take the 500.
Babe, no, you don't.
Babe, I just need to take one more. Chill out.
Bro, you don't need to take no more. 2 is fine. How many did you take?
That's 3. I only took 3. What?
Let me see the bottle. Let's see how many milligrams.
Wait, it's 200. I told you that.
Let me see.
Ow, stop. No, they're 500.
Babe, and you took 3.
That's okay.
That's not okay.
Yeah, it is.
You took 3.
I'm not gonna take no more. I should be good for the rest of the day.
Bro, really? You need to go throw that up.
Hey, that's nothing for real. Edit.
Oh my god. And then you're not even drinking water.
Hey, so? People take pills without anything.
I know, I just don't know how y'all do that. Cause I have
I
to have water.
I could take it with juice or anything as long as I have liquid.
I know that, but you just took that one without nothing.
Because I already had liquid still in my mouth. And then you just drink a little bit, help it go down.
You built for it, not me.
Yeah, obviously. Because you over here about to trip because I took 3 Tylenols. Like,
They're 500.
okay. And
Yeah, I'm going to trip. You took 3. 2 is enough.
that just means
Really, not even 2. You need to take 1.
Hey, just because that's what you do, don't mean everybody else do that. Trust me,
I don't take Tylenol, first of all. I take
Okay.
ibuprofen.
Okay, well, we didn't have none. I don't know what you want me to do.
You is crazy.
Yeah, I am.
You don't need to take no more.
They need to hurry up with my package,
You're going to
bro.
be in the hospital.
I heard when you have cramps, like, you should stretch.
Well, maybe you should stretch.
This. And then like this. I'm fat.
You're not fat.
Don't know.
You're not fat.
I'll get some crawfish.
Today?
Yeah.
You going to turn into a crawfish.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Because these really is 500 though.
Yeah.
It says pain reliever, fever reducer, body aches, toothaches, back aches, arthritis, the common cold. How can one medicine be used for so many different things?
That's just how life is. Life works. But you know I don't take medicine like that.
They said with rashes, blisters, skin. I just need it for my cramps, baby. Like what?
But these fountains be hitting different though.
Don't it?
Bro, what the hell is wrong with you? Give me that bottle for real. You tripping. Huh? Give me the bottle. Hell no.
Babe, wait my drink.
Give me, bro.
I started feeling so good. I just needed one more.
Oh my god, give me the bottle.
Babe, I'm okay.
Give me the bottle, girl. Oh my god. What is wrong with you? Give me that bottle for real, Z. Give me the bottle. You really sitting here drinking them hoes like, taking them hoes like it's some candy or something.
I just don't feel good, so they making me feel better. So I'm just gonna keep taking them all day.
But you're not supposed to take them that, like, so many. You gotta wait till it kick in.
It did kick in real fast, maybe because I took 3. So I just took 3 more.
3 more!
Yes.
Girl, give me the fucking bottle.
Hey, for real.
You
It's
pissing me
okay.
off. Give me it.
Hey, for real. Let's just lay down.
Bro, you really pissing me off.
That's exactly why I need this, because you stressing me out.
Fuck the MacBook. Babe. Spit it out. Spit it. Spit it out.
No.
Baby. Spit it out. Spit it out for real, G. Give me it. Spit it out. Why is you taking them pills like that? Spit it for real. Oh my god. You
Need
pissing me
it.
off.
I need it.
Oh my. You got my 10 of them holes in your mouth. Give me the pills. Bro, you're not taking no more. The bottle is damn near gone because of you. You really do need to spit them pills out for real. Bro, you took about 10. Where my phone? 500 milligrams.
Like 50,000, I think.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Get some cold cuts. Or 5,000, my bad. 5,000. Not 50. Remember that's them pills. They fucking with my brain. I feel better though.
What? Bro, ain't no ibuprofen pain reliever make you feel like that.
I feel just better, like my cramps are like gone.
From taking 10 pills, baby, you need to be in the hospital getting your stomach pumped.
I really feel like I could take like 2 more.
Oh, you're not getting no more. Not out of this bottle. Oh my God, bro. You need to drink some more. Drink some more juice. I mean, Gatorade.
That was so early.
Oh my God. You don't feel weird or sick? I think we need to go to the hospital.
I'm good.
Oh my God. Hello? No. Gigi done took 10 pills, bro.
Hey, T. Hey, T.
Pain reliever.
I feel good in a bitch.
500. Yes, she took 10. I don't know,
Because
bro.
I didn't feel good and now I feel great.
She just had them in her mouth and swallowed them.
No.
No, you're not taking
I'm just
no
about to
more.
show her. It says acetaminophen. Acetaminophen.
Bro, give me the bottle because you're not taking no more. For real, G. Oh my God. Give me the goddamn bottle. For real. You pissing me off. Bro, give me the bottle. For real. You pissing me off. Give me the bottle. G. I'm not even. Bro.
Move, I need some water.
Spit it out. Spit it out.
Oh.
Spit it out, G. I don't know, bro. She pissing me off for real. Spit it out.
Oh.
Give me it.
Move.
Bro, you tripping. I'm about to. Let me call you back. Come on, let's go.
You hurt my freaking mouth.
Let me see. I'm sorry. Let me see.
I have a pill, it hurt.
Let me see.
I have a pill, it hurt.
Come on. Oh my God.
It hurts.
If you don't give me this. Bro, G, I'm
You
not
hurt
playing.
me.
Give me the bottle. You need to stop. You pissing me off. Give me this bottle. For real, G.
Nope.
Give me the bottle.
Nope. Nope.
Give me the bottle. I'm about to body slam your ass. Give me the bottle. Bro, get up. Oh my God. Get up for real. I'm about to call your mama. Get up. Drink some water. Bro. Drink some. Drink some.
Ow!
Sorry.
Move!
Drink some. G. Drink some. G, for real. I'm about about to call him. I'm about to call 911. Get up. Bro, do you need to go to the hospital? Cause you done took too many. Come on, for real. Let's go to the hospital. Come on, let me take you to the hospital, babe, for real. Get up.
It's so pretty.
Oh, hell no. I'm calling 911. Give me my phone.
It's so pretty. Come here.
Give me my phone, for real.
Come here.
I'm about to call 911.
It's so pretty, babe. Let's play jungle gym. Hey, don't call them. It's a prank, bro. What is wrong with you?
Because you over here
Look,
tripping.
smell my breath. It's Tic Tac. Eat one. Yeah.
Bro, you got to piss me off, for real.
Nanny, I got you, Nanny.
You play too fucking much.
Babe, I don't even like taking pills. You really think I'll just sit there and pop them hoes back to back?
Like, nobody got time for you to be playing like that. That shit not funny.
You wanted to prank me, so I got you back.
Okay, but you don't play like that. That ain't no prank.
So you mad? Team Gigi, did we go too far? Baby, it was really just a prank.
I don't care.
It was just a prank, though. You can't be mad at me. Nanny, I didn't take no pills. I really need some, but I didn't take any.
You don't play like that, right?
So, you mad at me?
You just don't play like that.
I'm sorry.
And you really was eating them hoes.
Yeah, because it's candy.
That's right.
Can you say Team Gigi?
Nope.
Yep. Say it. Team Gigi. Team Gigi.
Nope.
Nope. Yep.
Nope.
Team Gigi, y'all already know that was a banger. Team KC over there in they feelings. Talk about we went too far. But it's okay because they want to go low, so we going to go low. And we going to go lower and lower and lower. Period. So y'all already know what to do. Spam Team Gigi in the comments like crazy. Follow us on all our socials listed in the description box below. Turn on that notification bell. Like, comment, subscribe. And
See all day, every day.
until next time, Team Gigi, we'll see y'all in our next